YouTube viewers. Today I am doing a taste test challenge. I'm not gonna know what the candy is. Yeah, I gotta guess what it tastes like, and I'll try to guess what the flavor it is, and if it's good or not. And so I'm gonna put on the blindfold. Here we go. Ah! Okay, I'm blindfolded. And you guys are gonna get to see the candies, what they are. Whew.
Oops, where's the...
You lost the candy?
There, no. Ready?
Yeah.
You sure? Let's put it in your mouth.
Oh.
What does it taste like?
It's hard.
Mm-hmm.
It's a Skittle.
Okay, what flavor Skittle?
It's so hard. Orange. What?
Fail. That was great.
Oh, come on. Okay, let me dissolve it down myself.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready for the next one. Can you see?
No.
Tell me when you're ready for the next one.
I am. Okay. Next one.
Open up.
It's a trolley.
Is it sour? You need to tell us what it tastes like, what you taste, what do you experience?
I think I taste some red in it and some blue. So, am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah. It's the red and blue trolley.
Okay.
Yes. Before I go on any further, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Here you
Next
go.
one.
What do you taste and what do you smell?
Wait, what the? A Hershey's. Wait.
Yep.
Yes! Hershey's.
Okay.
Getting a sweet tooth tonight.
Smell it. I feel like you can see.
I can't.
Okay.
What the? What is this?
What does it taste like? What is it? It's
I tasted
chewy.
it before. Yeah, it's chewy. I think it has maple in it.
Is it chocolatey at all?
It tastes like chocolate. I can't think of anything. It's, can I not guess?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I give up.
Pass. That was a Tootsie Roll.
Oh, Tootsie!
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, ready?
It was too.
Ready for the next one?
Uh-huh. A twirly, that red line, the twirly or whatever. What's it called?
Twizzler?
Twizzler, yeah. I think it's Twizzler.
What's a Twizzler like? Licorice?
It's kind of like, yeah, licorice and it's red. Is it licorice? I mean, Twizzler. Is it Twizzlers?
Next candy.
Wait, is it Twizzlers?
Yeah, what's Twizzler?
What's that?
Oh, dang it, I just dropped one.
Okay.
Darn it. Anyhow, okay, ready? Is your palate clear?
M&M's. I spit it out. What?
M&M's, not quite, but...
Wait, what? Give me another one.
Okay. What do you taste? What's the flavor? Please tell us the flavor.
Chocolate.
And You taste any other flavors?
I can't think of this flavor.
Dropping.
They're slippery, probably.
Yeah,
That's
they
all
are.
I'm gonna say.
Yeah.
They're slippery and they're chocolate. Yeah.
They're slippery chocolates. E.T. loves them. No? Tell me if you pass, so you give up.
I give up.
Reese's Pieces.
Oh, that Reese's Pieces take 5?
Yep. No, not take 5, just Reese's Pieces.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Those
okay, ready?
Oh.
Okay. I'm going to let you smell something. You got to tell me the smell.
Oh, it smells like a little bit of spice.
Ready? What do you think it is? What flavor do you think it is, and what do you think it is?
Hi-Chew.
Yes, it's a Hi-Chew. What flavor is that Hi-Chew?
Purple.
No, it's not
Green.
purple. Green. Yes, green.
Oh,
Green apple.
yes,
Which you said you didn't like green apples. I thought I'd give it to you.
No,
we gotta
fine.
hurry because the battery's going dead on this thing, so we gotta hurry. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Try and get that chewed down because we got 2 more candies.
Calm down.
Okay. Ready? Oh. I forgot to show the Hi-Chew last time too. Ready? I'm ready. Is it sour? Is it sweet? Okay, this is the last candy.
All right.
Tell us what you taste. Ready? Take a bite. Open up. What do you smell? Anything? Take a bite. Bite.
Reese's Peanut Butter Cup.
Yeah.
It's the normal kind though, not the M&M
Right.
little thingy.
Those are Reese's Pieces. All right then.
Okay. That was it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna end it here. Bye.
Thanks for graying around.
Thanks for agreeing around.